This is Project Mongolia, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Mongolia is painted in full gloss Porsche cashmere beige metallic with black accents all round. This 110 sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This vehicle also features a front runner slimline full-length roof rack, tubular front bumper with worn winch and black steering guard. Inside, Project Mongolia features an E.C.D custom Momo Prototipio steering wheel wrapped in Cadence Spice leather, vintage gauges, 2 Corbeau Trailcat front and mid-row seats, and 2 jump seats in the rear. Each seat is finished in a horizontal honeycomb stitch Cadence Spice and sandbar leather finished in light tan. This 110 is powered by our LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. And features an array of modern touches such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, rear AC and access to USB ports throughout. The colour palette on this vehicle is quite superb. The Porsche almost pastel grey with a two-tone tan interior gives a super modern look, but not out of place at all on this 30-year-old classic.